A lot of people had the wrong impression about Lake Erie. It had really become the walleye capital of the world, but in 1982, no one knew that. Advisory committees got together and said, what we really need to do is help our elected officials and our decision makers understand the key issues on Lake Erie and give them the science-based information on the things that were needed at the lake at that time.
One of my areas of responsibility is the Department of Public Utilities. So I oversee our drinking water plant and our wastewater plant. So obviously all the issues going on in Lake Erie are very important to us and very important to our citizens.
It's been very nice today to have made more contacts, particularly with Ohio State, people that are just total experts in this area when it comes to Lake Erie.
Learning about the fish and learning about the mayflies and how important they are to the whole habitat. Definitely something I want to take back home and maybe see what we can do in Toledo with what we learned today.
At this point, I feel like I can go back and have those conversations with people, feel more confident about what I'm talking about, and number two, be able to bring interested parties together.
If we could give them the correct information, they could understand the Lake Erie issues and understand how they could maximize its economic impact and benefit to the state of Ohio.